Hey guys, what's up? Well, the world is full of Wi-Fi hackers. It might be your neighbor, friend or anyone else. And it's just impossible to protect your Wi-Fi from hackers. But what if I tell you that you can check who is using your Wi-Fi? Well, this video is all about it. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. First of all, open Play Store. Search for an app called Who Uses My Wi-Fi. Just download it. This app has been downloaded many times and has a very good rating. Even the reviews are very positive. Now I will show you how this app works. So let's open it. If you want to check, then just hit the yellow button. Remember that there are many ads in this app. It takes time to search the users. There you go. Now you can see who are using your Wi-Fi. Well, thanks for watching. Make sure to give a like to this video and hit the subscribe button. Remember to stay away from Wi-Fi hackers. Bye bye. Enjoy.
I have you now.